Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the JMIERR, and it is a shirt. Let's see how this looks on me. Oh man, that's soft. It feels really soft, like those really soft kind of cotton feeling stuff. I don't know if it even is cotton, but it feels nice. Let's see what it says. Does it say what it's made of? A lot of times it'll be a tag on the inside. It is a tag on the inside here, and it says it is 70% polyester, 27% viscose, and 3% elastine. So that's probably what's going to give it some stretchiness. But let's go ahead and try this thing on. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take off my shirt and try it on there. Let me take off the clippy microphone, and we will try this on correctly. Feels really nice. It's got a really good feel to it. Soft. Oop, inside out. How did I get it inside out already? Okay, so this is it on me here, and you can see here, I'll stand back. This is what it looks like here. It goes down to about mid-short. I am about 190 pounds and about 5'10", so you can get a good idea for it. The arm length is great. I like it when they're a little bit longer, which is this one here. So I can put my hands out, and it's nice and long. And look at the V-neck. It's like doesn't have any buttons or anything like that. It's just looks like that. It almost feels like pajamas or something like that. It's really nice. It's got the nice stitching steams and everything like that. It's got that little inside out look when it's not inside out. But it's really cool. I like this. This is super comfortable and fits me great. So makes me look good, I guess. I don't know. So you tell me, what do you think? And it's got good, a little elastic on the bottom. Got good sleeve elastic here too to kind of keep it from falling down. So it's a really nice shirt. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.